Hi, this is Rudra. You're watching Mount Rudra's Nice Log. In this video, I'm going to show you that Gokarna of Karnataka. Well, come to the point of Gokarna. Gokarna is a small temple town located in the Uttarakhand, Kannada district of Karnataka in state southern India. It has been population of around 35,000. Shiva is the most worshipped deity in the town and it was to whom its main temple, also known as Mahabhaleshwara, is dedicated temple. At this temple, it is a house what is believed by some to be earliest Shivalinga known as Atmalinga. Gokarna is known as the seventh important center of pilgrimage in the Hinduism. It lies on what one wish unspoiled coastal line at the east of the river Agastnashini due to an increase of tourism. The character of the town has changed and it is no longer just is the center of the pilgrimage, though large number of Shiva devotees continue to visit the prayer and the worship. Gokarnika is the town on the Arabian Sea in the southern western India state of Karnataka, a popular pilgrimage destination for Hindus, which has Shiva a shrine dedicated to the deity of Shiva. Nearby Koti Tirtha is a temple tank where the devotees was in the holy water. The town is also known as home beaches of such as Palm Line, Gokarna in the center plus Cuddle and Om for the south. Well, greater tourists like that travel to Gokarna in October, November, December, January, and February to enjoy the pleasant weather with the sunny skies. Even though March, April, and May, June are preferred to time to visit. And it was the shoulder season offering the extremely hot and humidity weather for the tourist and however you are obviously cannot do those things of the treks in your desires and dresses and shorts to be sure to carry one the pair comfortably trekking to the outfits. However, one pair is a good for shoes too is must. You can see the nature of Gokarna and well, if you like my video, please like, share, subscribe. Please encourage me and support me for upcoming vlogs and videos. Signing off, yours Rudra.